This will be our seventh question on permutation and combination, and this will be the first question on permutation. The question says, in how many ways can 3 students be chosen and arranged from 5 students? Now, one thing I want you to note is that under permutation, this and this are very, very likely for them to use in a statement like this. So what we are going to do first is to state the formula for our permutation. Permutation formula is n permutation r equals to n factorial all over n minus r all factorial. Now, this one here is the total number of students. That is, total number of students is 5. The number of what arrangement or the number chosen from 5 is what 3. So that is our r. So we are going to be having 5 factorial all over 5 minus 3 all factorial. This will lead to 5 factorial all over 3 minus 5 will give us what? 2 factorial. This one will now give us 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1, right? So from here, if you multiply all this all through, we are going to be having 120 divided by 2 times 1, which is 2. So this will give us what? 60. That is 120 divided by 2 will give us 60. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Bye.